Holy crap, holy crap. No way. No way, it did not turn out looking this good. You're kidding. Hey guys, you're watching Most Curls, and today I am going to be cutting my hair. I've been meaning to do this for like a long time. I've done it before. I've actually done a unicorn cut before, and I actually really liked how it turned out. I just haven't done it again. I really do prefer cutting my own hair to having a stylist cut it, because almost like all the experiences I've had, I don't really like it. So it's still pretty scary though. I'm planning on just making some layers, but I may try and do a fringe, kind of like bang bangs. Not like the current bangs, but I don't know. We're just gonna find it out. So what I'm actually planning on doing is not getting rid of any of my length. If that looks really uneven, it's just because my curls are. But I'm gonna start my layers like halfway so that I can still keep all of this. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna use a pick and okay, I'm gonna start like around my eyebrow, like right there. I could probably do this in such a better way. Y'all are probably screaming at how I'm doing this. The nice part about curly hair is that like it really doesn't matter if it's not super perfect, because not very many people can tell. So, okay, now what I'm going to do is get this wet and brush it through. Okay, because my hair is so tangly, I really like to use this brush. It's the Be Hairful brush, just because it really prevents tangles. I'm gonna grab a towel. Sorry, we're redoing our bathroom, so that's probably why it sounds so echoey in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush through. This is not a good time to do this. My battery, like my camera battery, is at like 2 bars, so I feel like stressed to do it quickly. But you should not do this quickly. So I'm gonna get it a little bit more wet. Now I guess I should do the ponytail. Okay, yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get, honestly. So, okay, the ponytail is in. I'm gonna brush this again. Okay, now that I've got this in front of me, oh my gosh, it's so long. Oh man, I don't know how short I want to cut it, because I really want layers, but I don't want it to be so like uneven from the rest. I'm just gonna start off pretty, you know, I'm just gonna cut like that much off. Okay, heart is beating, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, that seems like, that's a lot. But I want to be able to tell like a noticeable difference, you know? Yeah, okay. Okay, just kidding, I'm gonna do like that, not as much. Oh my gosh, I just did that. Okay. Man, these are gonna curl up. They like curl up so much. My cute little curls. It's okay, these will curl up as well.
Bruh.
That's not even at all. That's not even at all. I'm just gonna really quickly like try to even it out. I hope that this is okay for my curls, like that they don't have like split ends or anything gross like that. I'm gonna like, you know, like do whatever. Okay, am I just cutting it like shorter? Yeah, okay. I think that's good. Holy crap. I cut off a lot. Okay, you know what, that'll be okay. once it's curly, I can adjust it as well. Okay, now what I actually want to do is do one more. So I'll put that back. Hey guys, I'm Emo George Washington and I want you to listen to my new SoundCloud rap song. It's called Emo Punk. Okay, now I'm gonna start off like in the middle of my eyebrow kind of and do right up here. Okay. Now that I've got this, I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh my gosh, I probably look so gross right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this out. Okay, now that I've got that ponytail in, we're just gonna brush this. Okay, okay. And then maybe cut this one like right here, like cut that much off. I want to cut enough to make it noticeable, but I don't want it to be like super bad. Maybe like right there, like cut that much off. That's still a lot, but you know what, it's okay, it's okay. We're just gonna, look at that, it's not cutting off this cute little ringlet. I'm sorry. I cut it so uneven. Okay, now we're just gonna cut up. Okay, yeah, I think that's good for this one. Let's go ahead and take it out and push it back. This is such a look though. Oh man, who does this look like? It kind of looks like, let me see if I can have like bangs. Bruh, I can't even, there's someone in my head that I'm thinking that this looks like, but I can't even think of it. Bruh, tell me in the comments, like, who do you think this looks like? Because it's literally killing me. I feel like I look like someone, but I just can't name it. I'm going to go shower and style my hair how I usually would, and we're gonna see how this turns out.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, if this lighting is bad, is this better? Huh? No. Okay, hey, so I styled it, I have diffused it, and now I'm just going to scrunch it out. I'm going to be using that Verb Ghost Oil. I always use this oil to scrunch out my hair. It adds incredible shine to my hair, and I just feel like it does a really good job of scrunching out and making it smell good. So I'm just gonna go like that, put that in my hands, and scrunch this. I haven't even flipped over my hair yet. I'm so excited. Holy crap, look at these curls though. Can we just take a second and like, what? My gosh, they're absolute ringlets. I'll fluff it up this way. Okay guys, I think it's time. Holy crap, holy crap. No way. No way, it did not turn out looking this good. You're kidding. Wait a second. Okay, sorry. What? Bruh, I don't even know if like this is the best angle to be looking at this. Let me like maybe zoom in a little bit. What? Okay, this looks amazing. I am Sorry guys, I can't believe I just did that and that it turned out looking this good. Like, do you see the layers? Do you see how it goes like? What? The layers, you guys. The freaking layers. Okay. Now, here's the question. Do I do a little bit of fringe? Do I do like... Y'all can't even see me no more. I don't know. I don't know. Ooh, you know what? Okay. Because this turned out so good, I'm not going to do it this video. Like, I don't want to regret something. I don't want to like taint this video. So we're not cutting fringe this video. If you guys want to see that, if you guys think that would look good, please let me down. Please comment down below and let me know. I'm honestly so spooked. Like, that would be the scariest thing about cutting my hair, is like not liking it and doing like bangs that like don't go in a pony. I don't even know. But I feel like also bangs could look so good, you know? Like, I don't know. I just know this is a 10 out of 10 experience. Would cut again. I really hope that this video helped you learn something. If you're gonna do this cut, I highly recommend it. If you are needing volume and you haven't had the volume that you want, or like the freaking curls, look at these. Oh my gosh, yeah. So if you want volume, if you want curl definition, I highly recommend doing the unicorn cut. I think it's like a double unicorn cut or something like that, but no, I highly recommend it. Don't go spend like 70 bucks at some hair salon to get this exact haircut that you can do at home so easily. Like, man, I'm feeling that here. Oh, I haven't even shown you the back. I haven't seen the back yet, actually. How does that look, y'all? Does it look okay? I hope that looks okay. Yeah, but I could not be happier about this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. That would mean so much to me. And you already know, press that subscribe button, please. It does wonders for me. It makes me so excited. I've seen so much freaking growth over the last like freaking 2 days. So hey, yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.